Hi friends, we have bought this subwoofers with speaker of a brand named Reconnect. Reconnect is a sub brand of Reliance, so you can obviously trust it. So these subwoofers come from for a warranty of around 1 year, and you will get this at any Reliance digital store or any electronic stores. The MRP of the subwoofer is 4990, but we got this for 4700. So this is an unboxing video. So let's start. It's too hard to open. The plastic given is too tough. And I hope the thing inside even performs tough. Okay. So now we are in. So the inside part looks like somewhat like this. You can see this. Okay. There are two speakers given on the upside. Open the box. Yes. Immediately we get the two tower speakers. We have purchased it for black color, and I think the only color available is black. So now let's open this. Okay. So these are the tower speakers we get. One, two. So let's keep this aside and let's check what we get other things inside. Okay. Now we get some pamphlets. Keep this aside. Now we get directly the subwoofer, the main thing. Let's keep the box aside. What are the other things that we get? We have too many of polythenes. This is the remote. You can see this. This is the remote. These are the two base stands that we get to connect those speakers. These are the speakers that we get. You can see R-Connect written here. Thunderstorm is the model. It's too hot inside. Sorry for the audio quality. Okay. So finally these are the things that we got. We even get this aux cable. Two speakers. So now we are here and we have set it up all the things. We have connected everything, but I will show you once again that how to do this. We get these stands different from the speakers, and we have to connect this to the speakers differently. So I will show this stands come in this way. We have like a pillar over here, a small pillar over here. We have to set this. You can see this. Okay. So now we are actually even I am not great at this. I'm just trying. Okay, we are done with it. So the same is with this speakers too. These are the cables here. Connect white in the white output. Connect red to the red output. Connect them. Okay. Okay, done. Connect your USB OTG or whatever you have. Connect here. We are having a display over here. Okay, so we are not in need of this OTG cable or this knife or anything else. So I will now connect the speakers to the power supply. Okay. Now I think you might be having a display over there, red color display over here. Okay. So let's not play. Look. First of all, we have to see this. We are having too many of options here: source, tuning, play pause, tuning less or backwards, you can go in the next track. This is the source, this is the volume button, you can rotate here like this. I have already connected to this. So, okay. So now we are playing the volume goes to a 30 level. Now we are playing at 21. Beautiful कर गई the lowest is this one. Okay, so now we are done with the unboxing, and I hope so that you might like this thing. It's an absolute thumbs up from my side because it's a low budget thing. Plus the company brand that we are getting from this is Reliance. It's obviously trusted, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. And the price tag you will get maximum is 5,000, not more than that. We got this piece for 4,700. Thank you.